Some beneficial rains coming early on this morning. As we've gone through the afternoon, skies have just remained cloudy. Temperatures on the cool side. Actually, we're not too far from normal. And we're going to keep the clouds around for a few more hours. And then once we go through the overnight, skies will clear. And we've got a fantastic weekend coming our way. Now, temperatures right now around Lancaster County ranging from the low 50s up north and even the upper 40s down towards Firth, where they had a little bit of snow early on this morning. It's 53 now at the airport, which is the warmest temperature of the day. Out towards Seward, it's 52. 51 in Milford, 51 in Garland. It's 53 in Utica, 52 in Fredon, 55 degrees in York. And you get the idea, warmer temperatures are back out to the west, where this afternoon and as we head towards the evening, temperatures are currently in the mid-50s. Winds continue to gust at times to 30 miles per hour out of the north. I mentioned some snow this morning. The heaviest amounts I could find were down in Virginia, Nebraska, right at 4 inches. Cook coming in at 3, near Cortland 2.5 inches. Firth coming in with 2.5 inches. Fairbury and Swanton both coming in at 2 inches of snow. I think the bigger story though is the fact that we got some beneficial moisture out of this, both in the way of snow and in the way of rains. You can see around Lincoln where we saw, generally speaking, about a ½ inch to as much as about 9/10 of an inch of rain. The heaviest amounts, at least that I could find recorded, 8,600 down at 27th and Old Cheney. Higher amounts as you went further to the east, on the east side of town. In fact, up towards Waverly, 6/10, Ashland, 7,200, and up towards Gretna, 9/10 of an inch of rain. You can see where the heavier rains are just off to the north and east of Lincoln, but even down towards Beatrice, officially at the airport, 7,700, and then nearly an inch down towards Falls City. And again, those are numbers since midnight. Now, we've got more rain coming our way. Now, not for the weekend. We're going to stay dry all weekend long and a fair amount of sunshine, especially tomorrow. But it's going into Monday, and probably more so Monday afternoon into Monday night, we will start to see rains beginning to move in. You can see Stormcast suggesting maybe a little snow for some early morning hours. I think probably the best chance for that will likely occur on Wednesday morning as opposed to Tuesday morning, but nonetheless through the day on Tuesday, some soaking rains taking place throughout the day, and again maybe a little snow on the tail end of that by Wednesday morning. But take a look at this. We're now 3/4 of an inch below normal thanks to the rain we had early on this morning in Lincoln, and over the next 7 days computer models suggesting right around 1 inch of rain. And most of that is coming Monday night and through the day on Tuesday. Here is Stormcast, our European computer model, suggesting nearly an inch of rain in the Lincoln area as we go through noon on Wednesday. Higher amounts off to the south and southeast like we saw with this past system, but even out towards Hastings, you could see upwards of 7/10 of an inch of rain as well. For the rest of this evening, we'll see our temperatures dropping off. Once the skies clear, our temperatures will drop down into the 20s by morning. So a chilly start to Saturday, but we warm quickly as we go through the day. We'll see mainly sunny skies, a couple clouds around at times, but notice by noon, temperatures are back up to where we are right now. As we head towards the afternoon, temperatures top out into the middle 60s. We're looking for a high of 66 in Lincoln, 66 in Seward, and a little warmer as you head further to the west out towards the Tri-Cities where we could be into the upper 60s. Also want to note on Sunday the winds pick up, the temperatures increase, and we have a low relative humidity, so fire weather index is high, suggesting that conditions are not good for outdoor burning, so please do not do that on Sunday. 7-day forecast, 75 degrees on Sunday. Turns very windy, and then again that rain coming in from Monday, Tuesday, maybe ending with a little snow by Wednesday. And then as we go towards the end of next week, temperatures into the 60s, and by next weekend, temperatures again middle to upper 60s.